大家龍年行大運，恭喜發財，身體健康，萬事勝意啊！仲要財源廣進啊，係嘛？Thank you for inviting me to celebrate the first day of the Chinese New Year of the Long of the Dragon. Okay. I think the difference is this. The Western dragon does not have the pearl. The Chinese dragon, Chinese Long, has a pearl. Let me tell you the story of the pearl and the Long. Boys and girls, you need to listen, okay? Boys and girls, let me tell you. Once upon a time, there was a young boy, only 6 years old, and he lives in a village. Yeah, you're 6. Yeah, you're 6 too. Okay. You live in a village, and there was a drought. No rain was coming. So the rice was not growing, and everybody got hungry. They said, oh my God, if there's no rain, then all the rice die. Then people go hungry. So the boy goes out and look for food. And then he come across a patch of grass, and he saw, wow, it was all growing. He went and looked, there was a pearl. Oh. So he took the pearl home, showed it to the mom. Like all good boys, they always bring things to the mom and dad, okay? Then mom and dad put it in the rice bucket. There's a rice bowl, right? All Chinese have mai gong, a lot of rice. They put it in the rice bowl. And then next morning, the rice was overflowing. Oh yes, magical pearl. And this pearl also get the grass and the rice to grow. So people got lots of food to eat. It was great. And the mom and the kid and the dad was sharing the rice to everybody. So everyone was happy, except in the village, there was someone that was very evil. They were very selfish. They just wanted to steal the pearl and keep it for themselves so they didn't have the power and get very rich. So they came to the house to steal the pearl. Oh my God. So the little boy said, no. I need to protect the pearl for everybody. So he put it in his mouth, and guess what? He swallowed the pearl. Oh. Then he turned into a dragon. Scales start alone, okay? The scales came, it got very long, got horns, wow. And the dragon became all powerful and brought lots of rain into the village. So everything grew, and they never ever got hungry again. And the dragon protected the village from times on, and they lived happily ever after. Yes. That is the story of the dragon and the pearl. Well, I hope that's historically correct. Anyway, there's a moral to this story. One person can do a whole lot, even if you're young, can do a whole lot for everyone. So in this day, first day of the new year, in this new year of the dragon alone, let us commit ourselves to do good things for everyone, bring good fortune to everyone. And me as your mayor, I'm going to build a lot of housing, make it affordable, and no TDC fare increase, good TDC services, more buses, and good services in the library and community center, so kids have a place to go and play. 祝大家龍年行大運，恭喜發財，謝謝你。